Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable mini dishwashers, the COMFEE and the Hermitlux. Both of these compact appliances are perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs, offering convenient solutions for washing dishes without the need for permanent installation. In this video, we will look at their key features, including the number of wash programs, noise levels, and unique functionalities. Let's dive in and see which one might be the right choice for you. When it comes to price, the COMFEE's portable mini dishwasher is more budget-friendly at $299, while the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher is priced at $362. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your dishwashing needs. Another important factor to consider is the noise level. The COMFEE's operates at 62 decibels, which is relatively noisy, while the Hermitlux is quieter at 50 decibels. If noise is a concern for you, the Hermitlux may be the better choice for a peaceful kitchen environment. In terms of wash programs, the COMFEE's offers 6 different options, including normal, rapid, and air refresh, while the Hermitlux provides 7 wash programs, adding features like EKO and self-clean. This variety can be crucial for users who have specific washing needs. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and Hermitlux dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COMFEE is more affordable and compact, while the Hermitlux offers more features and a quieter operation. Consider your budget, space, and specific needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.